So what we're
Ladies
doing,
and gentlemen, how to get rid of nasty, irritating squirrels from digging up your plants when you plant them, repot them and everything.
so we're
Belladon Studio, Maxine
Shells Bakes.
Shells Bakes.
Okay, so we're using just a regular screen, patio screen, and as you can see, this is already used. But you know what? It's called recycle. Okay, so we're just wrapping it around the pots. And
Get
we're
your
gonna-
twine, Michael's twine, macrame cord, but we're using it to tie the screen.
Yes. And guess what? We garden together. She comes to my house and helps me with my garden. And you know, it's one sister helping the other. The otter.
Not the otter from the water, but Jamaican otter. Other.
The funny other. Jamaican say the other one.
Yes.
All right.
Oh my god, it is hot. 96 degrees in
It's
the
not
shade.
fair. What's the name of this tree again? Right above us.
Japanese blossom.
Oh my God! The aroma is to die for. It's so nice.
Smells like lavender.
Okay, so here we go. And we are definitely gonna be coming back and tell you what the results are. You know, but it's probably gonna take us a few days to see what happens. Put this one. We're gonna take the stones from this one.
Yes. Here, do that one behind you.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, you put aloe vera in this one.
I was
Yep.
trying to use stones to keep that nasty squirrel out, but he dug my stones up.
Pesky.
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 It was either rat poison, but I'm trying to be humane.
No, y'all won't like her if she does that. Okay, here we go. Cut this right here, please. And so we have a little overlap. Don't cut on my fingers. Never trust her with a pair of scissors, okay? Okay, here we go. Time for the twine. Try to keep it nice and secure. Put your hand here for me, please. Right here, right here. It's called being creative, okay? These are how people get famous and discover things that we're using today. Here we go. Put this over here. Okay, another one's done. I think. This one is the hibiscus. I've never seen one like this, but it has the leaves so pretty. I'll come a bit closer. But these leaves are changing now. Red, it had what? Red, white, green. Did it have a little yellow in it?
Yes.
I'm like, whoa, and the little has some babyish hibiscuses that are like just that big.
And it will be, when it blossoms, it's red.
This probably is too short. You gotta trim this up. Cut it across. it this time? Is that too high for you?
Yeah, that's fine. Here, that's good.
So just cut this piece. Cut it down here. Let me take it down so it can be straight. Here. Watch my finger. Where my finger?
Hold it up.
Looks like you want some more water in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put more water in there.
Okay, ready? You want it higher or no?
No, that's fine.
Okay, that is set. Sorry. Is it Jasmine's falling in my head? Jasmine, right? What happened? Uh-oh. So sorry. Where's the scissors? The pair of scissors.
Okay, this is what you need. I need 2 more from you.
Where's this one gonna go?
I'll leave it right there. But it needs sun.
Okay, but it needs more water.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some water in there.
Which other one?
I don't want to put this up there so it's too heavy.
Which other one are we gonna do?
Yep, it's up there. I don't have enough.
Nothing
Okay,
else?
guys, we're gonna sign off for today.
Right, thank you for watching.
Next time, we will show you some more.
And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when we have new things on our channel.
Bye, Bella.